Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Ridolf, and in this tutorial we are going to consider ethical hacking lessons. Okay, so now for this tutorial we are going to consider how we can install an operating system which we can use for penetration testing, and this operating system that we are going to consider is Kali Linux. We have a lot of them, the operating systems. We have Ubuntu, we have Fedora, CentOS, and a lot, Linux Mint, and all of you. But in this tutorial, we are going to be using Kali Linux. So we can install Kali Linux directly on our machine, but because we are new, it's good to know some of the basic uses before we can install it directly on our machine. Else, if you go ahead and install it directly whilst we are still newbies, we are going to find it difficult using it. So we are going to use an application called Vmware. Now Vmware is a virtual machine which will help us to install various operating systems on our Windows machine or any other operating system. Now Vmware can take several OS whereby we can launch it inside, we can launch it on our host machine. Okay, we have a lot of them. We have the VirtualBox and we have VMware as well and others. But if you want to follow this tutorial very closely, then I think you should be also downloading VMware, because that's what we are going to be using. Alright, so just go to Google, type in VMware, add download to the VMware that you typed. After that, all you need to do is to hit enter, and Google is going to give us a lot of websites that we can download the VMware from. Okay, so the first website is as we see, we have download VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, and it's giving us a website which is vmware.com. So you can straightly visit that website to download your VMware. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just download the first one, the Pro. So I'll click on that, and slow internet. Okay, so right now I'm on the website which is vmware.com, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download the Windows version. As you see, we have the Linux version over there. So probably maybe if you're on Linux, then you can download that. But I'll download the Windows version. So I'll click go to download. Then obviously you would like to click on download now to download your VMware workstation. Okay, so click on download now and go ahead and download it. Oh, someone is calling me. Okay, so right now my VMware is done downloading, and what I'll do is I'll launch that. Okay, just go to your downloads folder to launch it. And he was the one calling. Okay, I'll call him back. Alright, so double click on that to get the installer ready, and my installer is preparing itself. So I will just wait a bit as the installation is in progress. It's still preparing. So this is VMware Workstation Pro 12, and it's such a cool virtual machine to use. Alright, so I'll just click on that, and of course you have to agree with their terms and conditions before you can use the software. So read through that. It's a lot, but read through, then accept the terms and conditions, the license agreement. Click on next. You can take or untick that and read what is there. That is enhanced keyboard drivers. I'll take that to enhance that, and I'll click on next. Now I have check for update and help. I will untick check for update, the product update. I don't want to check for updates. And also help improve VMware. I'll just leave that and click next. Now I don't want any shortcut on the desktop, so I will take that, click next again. Alright, so right now what I need to do is click install and wait for the installation. Now the installation is done, and what I'll do is I'll license my software because I have the license keys. Okay, so I click on license to go ahead and license that software. So as you see, I have the keys over there. I will just copy all the keys and I'll go ahead and license that. Okay, so I'll click on license. I will copy all the keys and I will paste it inside there. Alright, so hit enter to proceed with the license. So my installation is done. Complete the VMware Workstation Pro Wizard. So I'll click finish and I will launch the VMware for you to see. Okay, so I'll type VMware and that's it. I'll just click on that to open. Or probably if you created a shortcut on your desktop, you can find it over there to launch that one too. Okay, so that's the workstation. It's very cool. I like this software and it amazed me how they came about with such a great idea. Kudos developers, you've done a very cool job by developing this software. I just like the software. You've done well. Okay, so that's it for VMware, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is called Africa. Don't forget to meet me in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates. You can like me on my Facebook page for more update information and education stuff. Okay, so that's it. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.